DEU1A Technical English 1, DEU1A, a simulation video with 25% mark to carry out which must be submitted to Dr. Nurin Kamaruddin. This simulation video will be submitted by...
Hi, my name is Nurin NAJWA binti Muhammad SAFIEN and my register number is 08DEU24F2010. I will play it as a FEDZROL who is the patient.
Hi, my name is Ellyana BATRISYIA binti FEDZROL NORAZAM and my registration number is 08DEU24F2027. I will play as Ayu, who is the doctor.
The scenario or situation. A doctor is having a conversation with a patient regarding preparation for using a ventilation machine. The following show the doctor and the patient talking turn to inquiry and answering inquiries with each other.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Good. Hi, I'm Dr. Ayu and you are...
I'm Fatin.
Right, Fatin.
Doctor, what actually happened to me?
You just fainted at the hospital staircase. Thanks to this machine, it helps people that has an asthma attack.
Asthma?
Yes, it is indeed that you have a trouble with breathing. It seems that you are on the stage 1 of asthma attack.
I see.
Perhaps, do you know about asthma?
I know. Asthma is a chronic long-term condition that affects the airway in the lungs. I got a close friend that had asthma, but she even worse. She is very triggered to dust and animal fur. But what could trigger me?
It could be that you are triggered to strong odor or dust.
Yeah, I did smell something when I entered the hospital. All of a sudden, my chest feels heavy.
I see. Do you notice any asthma symptom lately?
I'm not really sure, but sometimes I feel like my chest is so tight and stuff. It makes me feel uncomfortable and hard to breathe.
Do you also experience coughing, especially at night or early in the morning?
Yes, doctor. It works at night and it often wakes me up.
Got it. Do you feel easily tired when doing physical activities?
Yes, even simple tasks make me feel out of breath sometimes.
Alright, so you did have a symptom of asthma before?
Yes. This machine?
Oh, this machine?
Yes, this machine. I have heard about this machine before, but what does it call?
It is called as ventilator machine.
Oh, I see. How did this machine help me?
Firstly, this machine will assist your breathing by delivering oxygen directly to lungs. It will take some or all your breathing effort depending on your condition.
Oh, like that. So, I guess beside on my condition, maybe this machine only takes some of my breath.
Yes.
What about the display on the screen? How do you read?
First, you need to identify the symbols, waveforms, colors, and number.
Oh,
Then, after you have identified, you need to know what it is for. On the first box, if you can see, it's written ECG and BPM in it, right?
Yes.
It is for measuring the patient heart rate.
Oh, I see.
Next, as for the boxes below, the one that is colored yellow is the respiration rate and the orange is for reading the temperature of the gas.
Oh, I see. Wait, is the turquoise color one? It's for reading the oxygen saturation? I saw it right there, SpO2. I'm familiar with it since I wear a smartwatch.
Yes, that's correct. So, next, the pink color is to read the carbon dioxide pressure in the patient lung.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, then the red one is for reading the invasive blood pressure. Meanwhile, the white one is for reading the non-invasive blood pressure. Can you tell me what is the normal blood pressure for humans?
It is 120/18, right? For systolic pressure, it is between 90 to 120. For diastolic pressure, it is between 16 to 18.
That's true, Fatin. It is good to know any medical facts, even just knowing the normal blood pressure. We can identify if the person is having a hypertension or hypotension.
It is. Actually, I'm very curious too about how you conduct the treatment with this machine. Perhaps, can you explain me how you done it?
Sure. First, I will use the laryngoscope to open your mouth while the patient will lying down. Do you know why you must lay down?
Yes, it is because it will be more easier for you to open my mouth when I'm laying down.
Other than that, it will help on straightening the patient airway, so it will be more easier for me to insert the tube.
Oh, I see. What's next?
Next, I will insert the tube from the ventilator machine while the laryngoscope is holding your mouth. Do you know why the tube is inserted through the patient's throat?
I think the tube will flow the oxygen to my lungs when the tube is inserted through the throat. Besides that, I also know that the tube also can be inserted through the nose.
Yes, that's true, but it's more painful.
Then, what is the next step?
Then, I will monitor your vital and start the oxygen delivering process by pushing the start button. Lastly, I will wait until the patient is stabilized.
How about to take out the ventilator machine after I had stabilized?
First of all, I will slowly decrease the oxygen transferring. Then, I will slowly take out the tube that I have inserted through the patient throat.
Oh,
Lastly, I will provide you another oxygen support. For example, like what you are wearing now, it is a nasal cannula, but we can also provide a mask too.
I understand how it's done now. Thank you for explaining it for me.
Yes, most welcome.
So, what I need to do now?
You need to get some rest until you are fully recovered. After that, a nurse will inform you that you are discharged.
Oh, then?
Then you can go to the counter to take the medicine.
What kind of medication will I use?
Good question. You will be using a rescue inhaler, but you will not always use it. You can only use it for emergency.
Is there any other medication that will I use? I saw my friend had a pill for her asthma.
Yes, you will be given a long-term control medication to reduce airway inflammation and prevent symptoms. You will need to use every day, even if you feel fine.
Got it. That's all?
Yeah,
Alright then. Once again, thank you, doc.
no problem, Fatin.